Hi, in this video I'll teach you how to make profit from the gap in prices of cryptocurrencies on different websites. Sometimes it happens because new exchanges want to attract customers and offer higher prices for coins than other exchanges. We will use this opportunity and make profit. And you can do it even from your smartphone. We're gonna use two websites, Zelbit and Binance. You can see that there is a 10% difference between Zelbit and Binance in favor of Zelbit. First, we need to deposit money on Zelbit. Go to the wallet and click Deposit. Select the coin you want and click Deposit. Copy it and go to Binance. We will start with 300.17 Litecoin, which is $20,000. The money will come to your account in a few minutes. Go to the trading section and find Litecoin. Sell all of it. Excellent, we just earned about $2,000. Now we need to transfer it to Binance. We select the TRC20 network and send it to our Binance address as shown in the video. As you can see, now we have $22,000 instead of $20,000. Now I want to do it again, but for more clarity with a bigger amount, $50,000. I deposit and sell them on Zelbit, then withdrew them to Binance. I want to do it one more time, but for the maximum amount, $100,000. I deposit on Zelbit and follow the same steps. This is a very safe way to earn money. That's it, you've made easy money on inter-exchange arbitrage. Thanks for watching and good luck!